What's up everybody? Welcome to this unboxing. Today we have a big box with us. It's the Titan soft wave fabric chair from Secretlab. Let's check it out. Oh my god, this box is really heavy. Whoa.
Tell me why it's feeling like I fight for the right to be faithful. Tell me I ain't earned this, but I'm grateful. Can't stand sitting back while I'm eating mine, but hate won't put food on the table. Now they all attacking them, cause I'm passionate. Nissan gotta take it to the maximum. Told them I was up next and they laughed at them. So I didn't say shit, I just backed it up. But we'll see who gets the last laugh. Going hard now, no one can stop me. And where I am after all you to talk shit, I got the right to be cocky. On and on, it goes on and on. Got the whole crowd lost in that ambiance. With their hands up, surfing that audience. And the girls in the front like, oh my god, see the problem with the game now? What? No sense of direction. Yeah, I used to fit in with that lame crowd. Why? Cause of fear of rejection. Now found me, found that in the booth. Fuck living lies, rap is the truth. And yeah, the spotlight ain't what it seems. All I know is if it's all a dream, then I don't wanna wake up, man, I don't wanna wake up, I'm never gonna wake up.
It's out of the box. And now it's time to get started with the assembly phase.
I'm never gonna wake up. I said just be you. That doesn't sound hard, does it? Everybody say they tryna make a lane now, but that's a huge part of it. I'll be on top and none of y'all can't touch it. Say I changed it up, but all of my fans love it. Shout out to my friends that been here since the beginning, cause they were holding me down while all of my fans wasn't. Now we just bounce to the beat of the drums and bet the whole crowd's gonna be eating it up. And yeah, treating every show like our last one, so there's nothing better. You ain't even gotta ask them. Back to back kids, I said we gon' get it. Back to back kids, still I ain't finished.
Wow, yeah, this thing is really heavy.
Now is it? See the problem with the game now? What? No sense of direction. Yeah, I used to fit in with that lame crowd. Why? Cause of fear of rejection. Now
So guys, we made it, assembled. Time to flip this bad guy out.
like ain't what it seems. All I know is if it's all a dream, then I don't wanna wake up, man, I don't wanna wake up. I'm never gonna wake up.
Alright guys, so that's about it. This is the chair. So how was the assembly? Quite fast. It took me like 20 minutes from start to end. Never assembled any of these, so pretty standard, pretty fast. Everything is included. And how about the fabric itself? Soft wave fabric, really soft to the touch. I like it. It's one of these fabric that I'm very well aware of because it seems similar to my car, my Audi. And it's one of these fabric that kind of like lasts for very long. And even if you spill something on it, you can easily clean. It's not as comfortable as say leather, but it really ages way better. About the comfort, you really get a lot of support. I really like it. I mean, your back is resting and not fighting against the chair. This one I would say is suited for heavy people and not super heavy, but heavy people, and definitely for people who are tall. There's another series for people who are shorter, and there's another series for people who are even bigger than me.
I'm never gonna wake up.